Here we are back in Pundakit. You can probably hear in my voice. I've been really crook, and at first I thought it was COVID. I think it's just been a bad cold and possibly pneumonia. So I've been really sick the last couple of weeks. I haven't been able to be up to site. So there's been a lot of progress, and yeah, we're making lots of progress with the build. You can see the fence is done, all the render is done, the windows are done, and we are well and truly into the final finishes now. So here we are. See the windows on Brian's, and you can actually see here we've already started the ceiling. So we've got this nice like walnut color for the outside, and we've got a maple color inside. Hear the waves crashing in the background. It's a bit windy today. Yeah, this walnut finish on the ceiling outside looks really nice actually. I'm impressed. Looks gorgeous outside. That's beautiful. I actually had to fight to get that.
Looks good, yeah.
It looks really good. And then inside we've got the maple color for the ceiling. And Brian's already got a lot of his lights installed as well. So yeah, it's all moving. So this is a lot of the ceiling material just here. Brian's windows are in, all the render is done. So yeah, I really like this color outside. I had to fight for this. No one liked it.
Is those joints supposed to be seen like that?
Yeah, I did see that. Some of the joints.
I don't like that.
I think it just needs to be cleaned up. I don't know why it's like that. Anyway, looking pretty good, really. So it's exciting to be on the final finishes, that's for sure. All the render, it's finally feeling like a home. Look at that. Awesome, awesome. I like that ceiling actually. Very nice, very nice. Do the lights turn on, Brian, or not yet?
No, because ones aren't in yet.
The plugs aren't in yet.
Plugs. What they're going to do is connect them.
Yep.
Put a paper, plastic bag around them.
Yeah, so
when they paint and everything.
You've got all the units to plug in. Yeah. Yeah, we've got to buy ours. We're waiting for another sale. Oh, there's your door. Let's have a look at this door, mate.
The door's a bit of a problem, but we'll get it fixed.
Well, what does it look like? So you're saying the bottom of the door had to be cut. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'm going to close this up.
The door's nice, but it's...
I just want to have a look at what the door looks like. Yeah, that's nice. I actually like that door. Guys are working on the ceiling. We've got the pump.
Yours is all ready to go. Come out here, have a look at the pressure.
Yeah, let's have a look. Water!
That's plenty of pressure.
Running water, and soon we will have electricity, lights, water. What about an outdoor shower? Do you have your outdoor shower yet or not yet?
We've got it there.
It's there?
See here, yeah, there's no sand in that at all.
Yeah, beautiful.
You can actually drink that water.
Yeah, well, it's coming straight from the ground, from the river, the underground river.
Pure, really pure.
Gorgeous. Looks like some of the down pipes have already gone in here, which is what I wanted. So in 2 weeks, there has been a lot of progress. But yeah, like I said, I've been wheezing, haven't been well. I've been pretty crook actually, been pretty sick.
The other thing here is your generator will put in here.
Yeah, need a generator from the sounds of it.
Well, only the main reason is when power goes down, your pump doesn't work, you've got no water.
No water, no electricity, yeah.
But
we need it, we need it. Yeah, because the power's gone out a few times in the last few weeks, hasn't it, I heard? Yeah. But this is the best tank that we got. So we got the best tank set up and the pump, and that goes outside and connects all up, so we have all the water. So yeah, really happy with that. That's great news. And yeah, we need a little Jenny there in the pump room as well. So get our Jenny all sorted. What I want to do is have a quick look at mine. You can see the pump room on mine. That's all set up by the looks. And in ours, We haven't started the ceiling just yet because we're working on Brian's first, but it looks like they're working on the door jambs. So you can see the door jambs here, finishing off these door jambs, and the doors are yet to come. So that's all good news. The other big news is the windows are in. The windows are in on our house. We've got all the insulation just sitting here at the moment. Right, so all that insulation just sitting here waiting to be installed after the ceiling. This will go on top to help just make the house even cooler. We'll walk around and just see what the windows look like, especially from the outside. Hey, babe.
Hi.
And that sliding door. So we've got like this 4-piece sliding door. Do you want to open that up, honey? And we have waves out the front this morning. There's a pipeline. We've got the surf out the front. So if you want to go surfing, it's kind of hard for Irene to pull it open. It's hard work for her. Look at that surf in the background. That's cool. Look at that door. So then it all opens up to be like one big space, and that was the idea. So yeah, and it actually can slide either side, so you can have it left to right. So 80,000 for the sliding door is what it cost us. So let's keep that open for now. Let's keep walking around. And sorry, it's a bit windy. I didn't bring my microphone today. Guys working on the jambs. I'm going to look at the front, walk around to the front and just see what it looks like. All right, so these are the windows from the side. So this is what it looks like from the side, and you can see we went for that black tinted look. So from inside you can look out, but from outside you can't see in. It's just like this black tint, which is really nice. So here we go. This is what it looks like from the front. So you can see the windows. So you have that big triple panel window in the master bedroom, and you can have the day bed up there, which is nice. And then this huge sliding door. So it's going to turn into like this big entertaining area, from the living to the dining to the outdoor area. Surf's up today. Some nice barrels. And you'll notice from last time that we were here, actually the driveway comes out a little bit further now. So it comes to the fence line. Whereas before it was going to the wall, and we've extended it out a little bit. In the future, we might kind of like add a stencil or something, some kind of pattern there. But let's just see. At the moment, I'm just, wanting to get it finished. And I'll think about the, aftermarket additions later on when we're actually living in here. Finishing those door jambs off. We still need to add some paint to the fence. We just need to finish that fence off. It'll do for now, but it does need to be finished off. Just walking around from the front, having a look at this big window. It's our bay window there. I love hearing the sound of those waves though. This is going to be my favorite spot, just sitting back and listening to those waves crash on the shore. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to walk back through this way. Go back and have a look at the rest of the ceiling and Brian's. See what else Brian's up to. We still need to put a gate in here. I just noticed this. Someone's written JB. What does JB mean? Jim Bean? Someone's actually written into the stairs there. JB. So yeah, it's exciting seeing all the wiring going in, the electrical ports, the ceiling, the lights. So mate, what do you think of the ceiling?
I'm very relieved that we can't see them.
Yeah, so Brian was worried because originally when the ceiling went in, it was see-through and you could see it see-through, but that's because the eaves weren't done yet and it was getting all the sunlight in, so he's a bit relieved now.
Yeah, very relieved.
Are you happy now? Do you like the colour?
Yeah, I was a bit worried when you see the black bars.
I like it. I like that maple colour. I think it's nice. Yeah.
Outlet. Sorry? Outlet. Yeah.
Ah, the power outlets. Yep.
You coming this afternoon? Yeah.
Lights, camera, action, mate.
I'll put it on the top of the grill.
So Brian's talking about the electricity ports and plugging in the ports. Electrician's ready to go. See the ceiling in here. And the bay window. Hey mate, just relax, all good. He's on a break. He's enjoying the bay window. It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, we'll be enjoying that soon. Well, Brian and Wilma will be. G'day mate, how you doing? How you doing? Oh, the insulation's already up there. That's cool. So you're rolling it out. That's cool. Exciting times, exciting times. Awesome. And from this side, you can see a bit of a view of the countryside. And actually, Brian keeps telling me he wants to extend this out with the concrete a bit, like to the fence line, so you can sit out here and enjoy this view. Brian's got these big lights, these big circular lights. He's got lots of them installed. It's going to be nice and bright inside when the electricity gets all finished up, all wired up, all finished, all connected. We've been dealing with Zamico. Actually, I've been to Zamico 3 times. I think Brian's been twice. Just trying to get 2 meters. So we have 2 meters. At the moment, we do have 1 meter, but you can see all this wiring, all these wires, these leads actually going everywhere. And the reason for that is we're using the leads, the power from this house, because there's only one house at the moment that has power, okay? And then these power boards, these leads, go across to the next house, so we have power to work there also. But hopefully within the next week or 2, we should have 2 meters, electric meters, to actually go and have power for both houses. So you can see the meter just there on the power pole. You can see out of this window as well, you do get a bit of a view. Nice view of the island. Gorgeous. I think Brian's picked some nice lights in here. This is his bar room, so you can see his bar room in here is coming together. And this is going to have the best view in the house. We got someone working just here, but you can't really see it that well because of the scaffolding. But it does get a view of the ocean just here. So the idea is, you can be in here sitting at the bar, looking at the mountains or looking at the ocean and having a beer at Brian's.
Should have put the bathtub and built a beer at the bathtub here.
What a jacuzzi. A jacuzzi, mate. So just looking at the driveway here, there's a bit of a dip. So I'm not sure about that dip there. It's like bigger than my foot. So I might have to fix that up because my car's pretty low and just not sure if my car will scrape on that or not. So might have to just extend it out a little bit and just make it level. So walking back on the other side, I gave Arian a hard time about closing these windows because the insulation's sitting on the other side. And I told her you can't have the window open because if it rains, the insulation is going to get wet. And I could feel that some of the insulation did get a bit damp. Anyway, that's what it is. G'day. But those waves make me smile. We got a coyote out the front here too. Love those waves. How you doing? Enjoy your lunch? Good. So I'm just checking this window because it goes this way. She just put it this way. Oh, it's a bit sticky, this window. Oh, it's not fully finished. Oh, well, I can't open that then. I'll have to close it again. So here we go. We can see the window on this side. I just spent the last few minutes mucking around with this window because that one's apparently not fully finished. Yeah, it's nice. You get a bit of a breeze. You sit back here. So yeah, actually that could work. You know, you have a cushion there. You sit there, sit out and enjoy that view. Nice. It's looking good. A makeshift light here. This is the kitchen. So my master bedroom is the kitchen at the moment. I think the reason they made it the kitchen, it has the best view. So look at that. It's got a pretty cool view. Awesome. Well, enjoy your lunch, fellas. Thanks for working so hard. Cheers. Get out here, can't wait till it's all done, or at least, you know, we've got the tiles, you know, the power, the lighting, the plumbing, you know, so we can have a toilet, a shower and some lights so we can move out here. And the last thing is Converge, so we've got to get Converge out here to get the internet. So trying to get them out here has been a bit of a hassle. We haven't been able to resolve that yet because it's been raining a bit and they didn't want to come out in the rain. But hopefully that gets sorted this week. All right, guys, well, I'm off. See you later. Oh, that's the outdoor shower, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, to keep clean. So you're ready to move in then?
No, because for the boys. They're gonna
for the boys to shower and, yeah. Just, I think you said you're going to put an old toilet in as well. So they have something
really put there for them.
rather than running all the way to the back of the block.
So that they don't need to go there.
Yeah. So an old toilet needs to be installed as well.
In our room.
So actually,
In our toilet.
I was here a couple of weeks ago and these two garages were full up of door jambs. And you can see there's only a few door jambs left now. So they are moving with those jambs, which is great. So you want this sticker off the window, yeah? So you want this peeled off or what?
Yeah.
All right, so let's peel all that off. Well, that's not that sticky. It's probably okay to stay there, honey.
Yeah.
Why, did yours mark? This stuff marked?
Yes.
The tape or this?
On the other side is
Yeah.
marked. It's got yellow.
Right, that's not good.
Yes.